Learning cybersecurity is crucial for understanding how to protect computer systems, networks, and data from cyber threats. There are numerous websites that offer valuable resources for learning cybersecurity. Here are 5 recommended websites to get started. 1. Cybrary. Cybrary provides a wide range of cybersecurity courses and training materials. It covers various topics, from basic concepts to advanced skills, and offers both free and premium courses. The platform also includes hands-on labs and assessments to reinforce learning. 2. Over the Wire. Over the Wire is a platform that offers interactive war games to help individuals practice and enhance their cybersecurity skills. It provides challenges suitable for different skill levels, making it a great resource for hands-on learning and practical experience. 3. Coursera. Coursera collaborates with universities and organizations worldwide to offer online courses, including many in the field of cybersecurity. Courses range from introductory to advanced levels, covering topics such as ethical hacking, cryptography, network security, and more. 4. SANS Internet Storm Center. The SANS Internet Storm Center provides valuable cybersecurity resources, including daily diaries written by security practitioners, podcasts, and a variety of security awareness resources. It's a great place to stay informed about current threats and learn from experts in the field. 5. OWASP, Open Web Application Security Project. OWASP is a nonprofit organization focused on improving the security of software. It offers a wealth of resources related to web application security, including guides, tools, and educational materials. Security professionals and developers can benefit from the knowledge shared by the OWASP community. Remember to explore these websites based on your current skill level and learning objectives. Additionally, hands-on practice, participation in cybersecurity communities, and staying updated on the latest security trends are essential components of a well-rounded cybersecurity education.